Welcome back. Today, we're taking a look at a looker feature that is going to make your dashboards so much more intuitive: filters as a tile. Here, we have a standard dashboard with some filters on the right. Usually, the idea is that by changing a filter and clicking Update, your data changes. But as you can see here, nothing happened. That's because these specific filters only apply to a certain section of the dashboard further down. These two filters allow us to dynamically change our dimensions and measures, but they only apply to a handful of specific visualizations. It can be confusing for users. What if we were able to move these filters directly into the dashboard body, making it completely evident that it only applies to certain charts? Well, this is totally possible. All you need to do is go into Edit mode. Click on the filter you want to move and select Move to Dashboard. At this point, you can drag and drop this filter tile anywhere on your dashboard. You can position it right next to the charts it controls, so the relationship is obvious. Once we save, the dashboard is much easier to use. The layout is more consistent. If a user selects a filter here, they immediately see this specific section update. Meanwhile, your global filters can stay global on the top or the right of the dashboard to apply to everything else. Finally, if you want to bring the filter back to the filter bar, click the filter and select Move to Filter Bar, or simply drag and drop it. As a quick bonus tip, if you ever have doubts about exactly what filters are applying to a specific visualization, you can click Show Filters.